do you
It's
think
a
about it?
pity for the ending
Yeah.
because the whole elimination was nice.
Mm-mm.
Uh, about the structure, it reminds me a bit of Meta. I feel like they had a similar structure, but very different rounds. It was
Mm.
nice.
Yeah, you mean like the structure is similar?
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, for me, the two are my favorite eliminations from this battle. Uh,
Okay.
because yeah, it's kind of the same style as you said. The ideas are very originals, and the lyrics also stay in mind. There are good intro, good build up. First drop is very good, and the second drop is even better. So yeah, everything to be a good elimination and to stay in mind, I would say.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have anything to add. It was a good structure, um, good ideas, and at the right moment, he did a new sound and
Yeah.
sound really hard to do. The I can't do it, but you understood.
Maybe we can show it
Yeah,
just to illustrate.
yeah.
Uh,
I don't remember exactly when it was.
yeah, I think it will be something like.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's after this.
Close
Yeah.
my eyes to escape the stream. When I fall asleep, I can feel a scream when I fall asleep.
Crowd control.
To escape this.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, very nice. Crazy signature sounds. I really enjoy it also. And it's not a sound that you used to listen to, I would say.
Yeah, yeah. It's really nice. But yeah,
Mm.
nothing more to add. It was a nice performance.
Yeah? Do you have like
Yeah,
improvement points to that you can
yeah.
advise to
Uh,
him?
I think overall, all his sounds can be cleaned.
Yeah.
Um, because sometimes it didn't sound fluid enough. But it's just a matter of doing the sounds over and over and
Training.
over and over and over,
Yeah.
and it would be easy to. It's an easy fix. It's not like really bad timing mistakes or whatever. It's
Yeah.
just he needs to do more the sound a lot more, so he can have really clean sounds and we can enjoy a lot more also.
I agree with you. Yeah. About his beatbox, like his idea is very good. Execution, as Bigben said, could be improved, but with the experience. One thing that is very important for me is like never show that you made a mistake. You should
Yeah.
perform. You should perform as it's part of the show, because only few people will notice that you made the mistakes. And as FootboxG said in his masterclass, never been sorry for making music. That's
Exactly.
very very important because it's lost us so much at the end. It's too bad that he botched the ending because of losing his thread. We lose totally the energy and you will lose so much points. So that's my
Uh,
only request, I would say. Don't
yeah,
botch
I
the
just
end.
want to I just want to say it again because I think a lot of people need to hear this. What FootboxG said. Never be sorry to do music. I don't know. It's
Yeah,
such a nice sentence.
yeah, true, true.
We should do a T-shirt out of it for the whole beatbox community.
Footbox, if you
Never be
listen to
sorry to
us,
beatbox.
you can
Yeah.
make a new T-shirt on Pat on Pat web shop.
Maybe he's sleeping now. He's in Tokyo now.
Yeah, he may slip. So tomorrow I will send him a message.
But yeah, this is very important. Never be sorry to do music.
Yeah, very true. And also he's a musician, so Triizy, what it feels to transmit your music.
Yeah,
So yeah, just be at ease with that. And also, as you have like so crazy ideas, yeah, I really want you to never being sorry about it.
yeah,
And yeah, maybe last point, just come closer to the crowd. I would say like an improvement, but it's all
yeah.
about experience, because you're
Exactly.
sharing emotions, and we can see like this one was maybe not mastered as you wanted to. So yeah, we can see that if you stayed very far from the crowd, we can see that you're not at ease, 100% at ease, I would say.
Yeah, exactly.
And yeah, maybe just to do you have something else to add, Bigben?
No.
All right, maybe just an open question just to finish, and if there are some people in the chat, they can also answer about it. What do you think about people that redo their wildcard as an elimination round? Like in few words.
I don't care.
Yeah.
You do whatever you want. If I judge the wild card, I mean, if I'm judge in the battle, if you're lucky, I didn't watch the wild card. If you're unlucky, I judge the wild card, and you will just not surprise me, but it will not affect the note or whatever. I really don't mind people using their wild card in their elimination rounds or battle or whatever.
Yeah.
It's just that they lose something. It's it's like when you have to judge someone and you know everything he already has. Sorry. So yeah, it can be nice. It can be judged, but maybe you will. It's not that you will lose points because of this, but it will be harder to gain points because of this.
So yeah, you lose like the surprise effect, but you won't
Exactly.
take it into account to give a less
Yeah,
less
and
good
also,
note. Yeah.
If he fucked up, I know he fucked up.
Yeah, okay, that's the most important. So you cannot surprise. You cannot be in the doubt. Like you cannot
Yeah,
take the doubt.
your if you do your wild card in elimination round or in the ball, it needs to be perfect or better than the video, because everyone will know it.
Yeah, that's the most important point, I would say.
Yeah, and if we liked the wild card and you do something different with the same ID, and it's not good, we can be disappointed, and you lose a lot of points for this.
Yeah, I agree.
Or maybe I could just have enjoyed what you did without knowing the wild card, but if I enjoyed your wild card and you do less good, I will be disappointed, and I will be like, oh, it's factual, he did wrong. So you lose points.
So okay, so you will make him lose this point, right? Plus,
I don't know, it depends, but I think it's dangerous because I have too much information on what he's going to do. And so instead of just asking me the question, do you like it or not, it add the question in addition to do you like it or not, it add the question to am I disappointed of the performance or not? Because when you watch a video, you always ask yourself how does it sound on stage, and a lot of people doesn't do their wildcard on stage because we know
True.
But but if you do it on stage and you take the risk that we can be disappointed, I mean, but you can do it. I don't care. I don't care. It's just that I don't take this in consideration. I just advise not to do it because we're still humans. We can be disappointed by things, and not doing a good wildcard on stage can be something really disappointing for a beatboxer.
True. He asked like if they change it a bit, it could be nice. Sorry. Yeah, agree. For me, it's not about like changing a bit or not. It's about like the execution. It has to be on point because people will expect you. They will expect to listen to the best version possible of your track. So feel ready and assume it. Yeah, I would say.
But let's say you change something on your wildcard and people don't like it, or let's say the judges don't like it, don't like the changes because the wildcard was already really good. That can be a problem, and the fact that you change something of your wildcard during for your elimination, unless you're really sure of you, it can be dangerous because you add problems. It's a really big risk for not so much reward, you know?
Yeah, But for example, if you know that you finish first at the wildcard ranking, it makes you in kind of a way of confidence, right? Like you know that it's one of the best.
It's easier to do it because you know it. You generally, when you do a video, it means that you did a lot of time this routine. So at least it's trained. But I mean, it has the pro and the cons of doing it or not. It's just a matter of what you think is the best thing to do.
Yeah.
Like doing your wildcard for an elimination round, I think it's a smart move also, because you don't show new stuff you prepared for the battle. You show something you had like 3 months ago, and the thing is, the judges don't care if you do the wildcard or not. I don't know if everyone cares, but I think everyone should not care.
I agree.
It's your music. You do whatever you want.
True. Okay, very nice conclusion. I think that's it for today for this elimination round analysis of Triizy. Hope these feedbacks will help you to improve Triizy and also the other beatboxers who will watch it. Let us know in the comments what you think about it. And see you next time for another video. Mesh? Do you want to make serious progress in beatbox? Click on the link in the description below and join our beatbox school to level up faster than ever.